All right, we are here doing a staycation at Great Wolf Lodge. Alright, here we got lengua and cabeza, which is tongue and cheek. Haha, tongue and cheek. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. Okay. Alright, limes, radishes, onions, cilantro.
I want to eat it.
And then
I ate it.
we got some al pastor. Look at that. Al pastor.
Got one.
Got cilantro, onions, something else.
Rebecca's right here. Rebecca's
Alright, so I'm going to start with the lengua using some green sauce. A little bit. Okay, a little bit of lime.
Wait, is it Jordan matter? I think, let me give you a hint. It's this guy. Later, that ain't a hint. You're telling me who it is.
Oh, that's some good tongue.
Oh, hell. Oh, heck.
Okay.
Brighton. Mr. Beast. No, it's Brighton. Brighton's across the board.
Do a little bit of the
Maybe it is.
cabeza
Yeah, I got right.
or beef cheeks.
I need a drink. That's Wednesday.
Salty goodness there. Alright. Then lastly, some al pastor.
Wait, what the?
Okay.
Wait, CG5
A bit of lime.
It's Rebecca's friends to Mr. Beast.
Well, that's pretty good. That's the pineapple bits. Yeah. That's the little bits that I was thinking of what was in there.
Ad about that new
really good. Check them out. Alright people, beef cheeks were fire. We had to go and get some more cabeza. Okay, seriously. Third time we went back for more lengua because they're really good. So, cabeza, lengua, al pastor. Look at that. Delish. So if you're ever here at the Grand Mound Great Wolf Lodge, come across the street and get some street tacos from here. They're delicious.